Are you feeling hopeless and lost, like your life has been full of wasted years? It's easy to get caught up in regret and despair, but I'm here to tell you that there is hope. This is your sign that God has a plan for you. He sees your struggles, and He will restore all the years that have been lost. Even when it feels like you're at your lowest point, God is there, ready to lift you up and guide you towards a brighter future. It's never too late to start over, to rebuild, and to reclaim the happiness that you deserve. Trust in God's timing and His promises, for He is faithful and will never abandon you. So take this as a sign to have faith, to let go of the past, and to believe that better days are ahead. Remember, you are never alone in this journey. God is with you every step of the way.